Are we live? Testing, testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're live. I hope I am. Yeah, should be okay. And we're good. Alright, so let me just challenge the first guy. First guy that I find. I'll close this one. I just want a match. It was a test run, but let me just make sure that this all captured. Yes! Alright, nice. I hope it's not too loud. Can you guys... Who's in chat? Someone's in chat already. Midna, Jack, time for coffee! Alright, so I'm gonna lower the volume because it feels like it's very loud. Let me just lower it a little bit, a bit. Is it okay now? Can you guys hear okay? I don't know. It seems to be low for me, but I don't know if it's low. If it's too loud for you guys. Anyway, welcome Jack and welcome Midna. It's loud. Midna says it's loud. Hold on. Bear with me. Oh, what did I just do? No! Freaking ads. Alright, so music. How about now? Is it okay now? Is it better? Is it better now? Should be okay, yes? I think so. I should put the volume up for my headphones now because it's very low. I want to hear it. I want to be in the mood. I think it's okay now. Alright. Give me feedback, guys. Give me feedback because it's very important. It's better. Awesome. Alright, so let me just make sure that everything is being captured correctly. Yes. Awesome. Hey, Camiroth, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Alright, so Heatwave. I'm not gonna... I need to stop yelling my attacks now, obviously, because... So if anybody wants to challenge me, alright, you just look me up on PokemonShowdown.com. And my name... Yes, I burned them. I just realized. Nice. Now then. He is a rock type. Oh wow, I'm a bit torn. Hey Nicky, hello. I'm doing great, Camera. Thank you for asking. Just stopping to say hi. I thought you were gonna fight me. I thought you were gonna battle me in this epic of epicness. I don't know what I'm gonna use because I guess it's this guy. Ouch. You see? It's a good thing I swapped. He's burned, but he's re-healing. Anytime's glue. Come on, if you guys want to battle me, go on to PokemonShowdown.com and find me up. Look me up. VloggyBuddy. Might be a while before I actually accept your challenge if I'm in a fight, obviously, so... Not today. Okay, fine, Midna. You chicken? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I make a joke. You can't yet. If you want, I'm not pressuring you. I mean, that's up to you. But you can even do it from your phone. I tested it from the toilet. I tested it whilst on the toilet. It was a stinky battle. Alright. Let's see. So. Let's keep doing this. Ooh, you know what? Just promoting Min. Please appreciate him. I got the flu. What is that username? Alright, let's keep going. If I... Oh, wow! That is fast. That's okay, GG. No problem. We're still good. Go ho-ho! I'm gonna go with this. Ah, you scared, huh? Going to try recording today. Gonna record what? A Pokemon battle? Now, he doesn't expect the fact that I have this move. Uh-oh. God dang it. Does he have... No, he has Stone Edge. Ah, you're Shadow of the Rebellion. Are you one of those people that changes their username every 24 hours or something? I'm kidding. Just pulling your leg. Just pulling your leg. Man, I'm really torn. I don't know what I'm gonna use. Ah, I have this one. I think this... Oh, hang on a second, you're just rock. Why did I assume you were also fire type? We're gonna be okay. But I missed. But I missed. Oh, he blew up! And that barely did any damage. Alright, so far, I'm not doing very well, but it's okay. I'm gonna record for YouTube though, every 90 days. Don't change your username. I want this guy to give up, because he's kind of giving me a hard time. Okay, so if I do a will-o-wisp... No! God dang it! But at least he lowered his defense, his special defense. That's good. Good enough for me. It's good enough for me. He's fighting type. I'm gonna use this guy. Woo, 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 woo. Awesome. I look forward to see some of your work. I'm gonna substitute. Yo, substitute, go! Andes, I choose you! I like that. Alright, nice. Now, he is Fire and Steel. He's got really good RNG, he's got some really good Pokemon. I got nothing. Fire and Steel. What if I use Heat Wave anyway? Let's see. Flash Fire. No! He roared. Okay. God dang it. There's a good chance I can Thunder Wave you. No! No, 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 no. So yes, for every viewer that defeats me, I'm gonna give 100 pants points for everyone in chat. For everyone. Not just the winner, for everyone. So I paralyzed him now. I'm gonna use Stealth Rock. He's paralyzed. Mwahahaha! Fear me! And I'm gonna do an Ancient Power. It's not much, but I'm gonna have to. Uh-oh. 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 Come on, we got this. Alright. Alright. Okay, fine. Enjoy the victory. Okay, so are we gonna use Swoobat or... I'm a Bug type, I'm not gonna use this guy. Swoobat, go! This wasn't a good fight. If I substitute, he's gonna roar again, definitely. So, I guess... No, I'm not gonna use Heat Wave though. I'm gonna do some Air Slash. Hopefully he flinches. Come on, 30% flinch. I guess you can say this player is smoking you. Haha, haha. Paralyzed! Bomba, as we say in my country. This is going bomb. We'll see. Nice! Oh wow, I'm barely doing any damage, I just realized. Womp womp. That's okay. That's okay. It wasn't a very good battle because he had some really good Pokemon and I got nothing to resist. Hey! I choose Chili! I was on Miss Monokuma's stream today, we were talking about fire farts, you know, because of Chili. Wow, this guy, man, he's paralyzed and he's doing... No problem. No problem. I still have faith in my Scolipede. Man, if only I could pull off a Sword Dance. Can I pull off a Sword Dance? Hold on, 214, 214, 159. Can I pull off a Sword Dance? He's paralyzed. Come on, come on, come on. Paralyzed. Yes! Yes! Yes, and I speed boosted. Nice. I'm not gonna risk another one though. Earthquake. Boom, he's gone. He's gone down. You can even do it from your phone, guys. You don't need to have a browser on your computer. It works even on a computer, on a phone browser. Because I tried it when I was on the toilet. Boom. Nice. Alright, now. If I can poison jab you, should I do another sword dance? I'm afraid though. Poison jab. Yes! That is good. Oh, outrage. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Alright, another poison jab, obviously. Come on, Scolipede. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, but We'll try. He's a grass and poison type, and I'm a bug and poison type. I don't think he's gonna do much damage. I can afford to do another sword dance. Let's go. Unless he has a move that... Yeah, like a hidden power. I need to be careful. Alright, earthquake. Ah, dang it. God dang it! Alright, GG. GGHJ. GHJGHJGHJG. Does anybody want to battle me? Come on. Come on. Alright, so there's nobody in line to battle me, so I'm gonna go again. Let's see who we're gonna battle, right? There's 8.6k battles going on right now on this website. This is amazing. That is amazeballs. Alright, so apparently I'm Mortar, but I'm invisible. There we go. Hey, Toby! I've been expecting you. I've been expecting you. You see, I did my Wesker voice for you as well. I've been expecting you. Alright, so I did a substitute. And now then, normal. Either I use a Fire Blast, 110. Yes, Fire Blast, definitely. Burn! No burn. He has 233 speed, I'm 185. I'm scared. He might trash me now. I'm gonna try again. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go with Earthquake just in case, but he's gonna trash. Nice! Oh, you're kidding me, dude! You are kidding me! Story of my life. They always end up on 1. God dang it! Alright, fine. Fine. Enjoy that win. Now then. What's the move that he has? Low kick. Low kicks? Alright, yeah, Pokemon are random, yes, it's a random battle. Somebody just challenged me, I see it flashing. Alright guys, be patient, alright? I want to finish this and then I'll battle you. Now then, Quiver Dance. Oh, nice! Come on! He's being stupid right now. He's being stupid. I can afford to do another Quiver Dance. Come on. Yes! Yes. Unless he has a Fire Punch. Oh, why you do low kick? It does nothing, my friend. It does nothing. Come on. He keeps doing low kick. Dude, why you low kick? Alright. Time to die. Oops, I forgot he was on 1 HP. I'm gonna stop drinking wine. Who challenged me? I want to see who challenged me. Hold on. Who was it? That Vloggy Lurker. Okay, so I know it's a viewer for sure at least. So if you defeat me, that Vloggy Lurker, I will award everyone with 100 pants points. Alright, so Deoxys is 174. I am at 468. I'm gonna Giga Drain him, even though... Yeah, I need to Giga Drain for sure. Boom! Did you see that? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? Oh, I'm toxic now. That's okay. That's okay. There we go. Alright, we're gonna be okay for a while. Don't worry, buddy. That's okay. We're poisoned, yes, but at least. Air Cutter right away. 468, we're good. Boom! That's how it's done! I will only last another round. Only one more round and he's gonna faint. But it's okay. Melodic. Yes! Why did you choose Melodic? I'm gonna do Giga Drain and I'm gonna restore my health. Oh, you. Oh. Ah, he tricked me. Oh, well, joke's on you. Did you see that? Hey, Red, come on. Come on, Red, come on. Battle me. Alright, so Persian is Dark type. Let's keep doing this. Let's see how long I'll last. What if I do Bug Buzz? He's Dark type, right? Yeah, let's do Bug Buzz. Boom! Look at this battle, Red. Aren't you intimidated right now? That's it. Boom! Boom! That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Alright, the person that showed up with the username, that vloggy lurker, I'm about to battle you right now. Sit on your computer and pray to your gods. Your gods. Alright, ready? Here we go. I'm only divided by the evil life. Here we go. So right now I'm at 1180. Alright, let's go. Let's challenge the acceptance of the battle. Let's go. Accept it. Blaziken. Blaziken. So, that vloggy lurker has Blaziken. I have Electrode. Now, I'm not gonna talk now. Hey, Dada, welcome! Da. Alright, so, let's see. I'm gonna focus now, because this is a viewer. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. But. God dang it. Let's do this one. Now everybody's gonna call me Clog. You see what you've done, Dada? I don't really clog. So, here we go. I started the timer, okay? Just so you know. So you don't waste my time. Yes! Oh no! You toxic-defied me. I get cocky. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, nice. Too bad it won't work twice in a row. Oh, too bad it won't work twice in a row. But you know what you're doing. Whoever you are, you know what you're doing. It works twice in a row? Are you kidding me? It does. Alright. Seems like you know what you're doing more than I am, but okay. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I know it works twice in a row. I thought it only works once. Alright. Oh no, I'm toxic. Alright. Now then, if I can just pull this off, I'll be very, very happy. Just this. I'll be very happy if I pull this off. Unlikely though, 159131. Let's see. Alright, fine. I expected a fire move, to be honest, but well done. Well done. So, you're a fire and fight. Now I have some terrible Pokemon now, but what can you do? What can you do? I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna risk this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna risk this. It was a good risk. Alright, so now. I'm gonna try another one. Ah! I shouldn't have said that. Actually, I can change my attack, but whatever. Bill, you don't need a 3DS, that's the thing. You can challenge me right now. Bill. You don't need a 3DS. Go to PokemonShowdown.com and look me up. Somebody just challenged me as well. Who was it now? Risky Kid. There we go. Alright, so... I'm dead. That's okay. That's okay. My bad. Alright, now then. It's okay, Bill. Yeah. That's okay. Stupid school tomorrow. We'll do this some other time, no worries. I enjoy playing this game. I play this so much. You know what? Have you seen the anime for Castlevania? No, I heard about it. Is it on Netflix? I heard there was going to be an anime for Castlevania. Is it on Netflix? Crap, it didn't work, but at least we're down to 43%. I want to check it. Alright, let's do this. Crap! You think you got me? You think you got me? Oh, okay, you think you do. Alright, fine. Fine. Alright, that's fine. I have an idea. I still have another idea. Still have another idea. Let's see. You gave me a hard time. Whoever you are, you're good. I bow down to you. Are you kidding me? That's okay. Uh-oh. Okay, we got this. No! How did he attack first? Speed-wise, what was the speed? 194? I was paralyzed. God dang it, I was paralyzed. It's okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. I got 5 Pokemon down. We're good. You see how positive I am? I'm a positive person. Was that you, Cascade? Really? Was that you? Ah! No, still not time. It is not the time, my apprentice. You still have much to learn. Alright, what about... You're good, Cascade. You're really good. Well done. 251. God dang. Alright, come on. Yes! Yes! Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? Are you sure you want those pants? I love how cocky I get when I start winning. Now then. I'm gonna go with this, I think. Yes. Oh, well played. No confusion! Are you kidding me? Your Hydro Pump missed. You should know better. Oh, no, mine missed. That's why I shouldn't talk. Okay, no problem. We're still... Ah, god dang it! Come on, dude! I was so close. I'm still in the game. Oh, no, I'm not. God dang it. No, I'm not. Come on. 3 hurricanes missed or whatever. Well done. Well played. Well played, senpai. Time for everybody. Time for everybody to get 100 pants points. Make sure you're active in chat, otherwise you will not get them. Alright. Live stream panel. Here we go. What is it? Reward 100. Was that it? Was that the command? I forgot the command. Yes, there we go. Everybody had one. Now, next challenger, Haipu. Well done, well played. I was impressed. You gave me a hard time. The next one is Risky Kid. Boom. I see cheers in the queue as well. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look, it's Face these Pokemon. Alright, so. Here we go. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. As long, you know what? I got defeated by Cascade, GG. But the important thing is that I don't get defeated by red. That's the most important thing in life. That's the most important thing in life. It was a good battle, yes. Here we go. Here we go. One down. You will get 6 Pokemon. It will be 6 random Pokemon. Yes, you will automatically get 6 random Pokemon. It's 6 random for you, 6 random for me. That's what it is. Red, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Where's your Pokemon? You have a Golem. I can see it. Alright, there we go. Golem. Why is it taking forever to load though? So it's a Golem. I think I can afford another. Let's see. I think I can afford another Calm Mind. Let's see. Oh! Whoa! It's a good thing I did that. I raised my special defense before I. Ah, man! I'm sure I wouldn't have survived that if I didn't do that. That is amazing. Now 174, 209. So if I give you a, I'm gonna go with this. Oh no, red! Oh no, red! I'm still at my first Pokemon and you're on your 4th. Oh man. This is a dark type though. Now I need to be careful because 209, 193, let's go. It's too strong because I raised I did Calm Mind like 2 or 3 times. Now let's see their speed here. 242. You're gonna go first. You're gonna go first. Well done. Well done. My first Pokemon is down. Alright. I hate this Pokemon. But what you gotta do? What you gonna do? Oh, poor choice. Well, not poor choice. Nobody calls me chicken. You're going down. I'm not going down, as you can see right now. Look at that. He did a gyro ball. He did 1% damage, and I healed it again with my leftovers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna play around now. Alright, alright. Recording can wait. Boom! Oh, wow! That's like 51% damage just on the rocks. Interesting. Uh-oh, Z-Power. What's this Pokemon made of, Stunfisk? What is he made of? Are you kidding me? Is this gonna keep happening now? Is this gonna be a thing? No, come on! Oh my goodness. Can you imagine if this works? Nope. Nope, it didn't work. GG, GG, GG. He's made of my salty tears. Well done, Red. I want to rematch with you, though. You know, this is all about RNG, yes. Now, who's next? Look at all the people waiting. Hold on. So that Vloggy Lurker is done. I got an invitation. Oh, let me do cheer now. Let's do a cheer. Are you ready, cheer? Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you want to give the audience some points? Hmm? Alright, so I have a fortress. Here we go. Oh! It looks like an aborted mountain. What, too soon? We never speak of that battle. I got a surprise for you. Cheer, I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for you. Same Pokemon as you! What are the odds when you think about it? What are the odds? Now I know what Pokemon you have. Now I know what moves you have. Ha ha ha. I don't think you can use your team. This is just random battles, I think. Alright, well played. I've never seen this Pokemon before, I kid you not. Zeraora. What is this? What is he? He's an electric type. I've never seen this Pokemon before. Ah, Bill. Come on, Bill. Come on. Come kick my butt, Bill. Come on. Come kick my butt. Whoa, that move. Never seen that move before. I missed. He's fast. That's a new Pokemon in Ultra Sun. So what was it? Is it legendary or something? I've never seen this before. Now then, since he's faster than me, I'm gonna go. What? Wow! Not even Rapid Spin worked. That's okay. Here we go. How does Plasma Fists affect my Rock-type Pokemon? That's weird. He's gonna go first. No, 300. No, I'm gonna go first now. Alright. He's hard to get. Just like me, I'm hard to get. Alright. Now, from now on, it should be easy peasy. I hope. Let's go. Oh, it missed! It missed! Come on! Okay, whew. Please don't miss again. Come on, Tyranitar. I evolved you. Eee! Oh, come on. There we go. I have a great time. Now, if I can go first, which I will. There we go. Alright, let's see. Rock type. Can I do this? Can I pull this off? Okay. Ooh. It's funny how Cheer's avatar, his Pokemon trainer on the right hand side, they are randomly assigned, I think. And he has a beard. He kind of looks like Cheer. Shedinja. Uh-oh, I think he has Wonder Guard. I need to be careful of this one. This might ruin me, because I always confuse how you defeat a Pokemon with Wonder Guard. Let me try Earthquake. There we go. Wonder Guard. How does this work? Somebody help me. Ah, you chose the avatar. Oh, okay, fair enough. Alright, I think I'm ruined. I don't know how to defeat Wonder Guard. I don't know how to defeat Wonder Guard! Is this gonna be the Pokemon that ruins me? How do you defeat the Wonder Guard? Super effective! Sash, but it didn't do any damage. What is going on? Oh my goodness. I do admit, Loki, that would probably beat me easily in this kind of battle because I refuse to use anything but fire type Pokemon. Ah! It's a bug type. He is a bug type, but he's got Wonder Guard. I don't know what. See him to his sleep. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. So at least I know I'll. Whoa! What just happened? What just happened? Did you see that? All I did was toxify him. What the heck was that? I don't know what happened. I need to read about Wonder Guard because I have no idea how this works. I just poisoned him and he just died. Wonder Guard is hit with super effective. What do you mean is hit with super effective? That was amazing. I was really scared for a sec. You can win this. Alright, so. Belly drum. 4 times attack. Ooh! Oh man. What's your speed? 204. There is a chance you can actually take me down. There is a chance you can take me down. Because, well, you're toxic, so I don't think you're gonna make it, but there's a strategy right there, eh? 4 times attack and you're faster than all my Pokemon. 222. Actually, you are not. So, yeah, bye, have a great time. But well done. Well done. Well done, well done. I got really scared when Shedinja came out, honestly. And when he did the belly drum, I was really scared when that happened. But so far, we only got 100 pants points for everyone from Cascade. I was gonna say Cascake. It's a move that cancels almost attacks except poison and parasol. Interesting. Wow, what if I don't have a Pokemon that knows those moves? What am I gonna do? Scary stuff is scary. Alright, Risky Kid. Are you there, Ed? Do you want to redeem yourself for that humiliating loss? Huh? Here we go. Kiss cake. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We'll meet again. I was lucky. I won't argue because this is all RNG. It is RNG, so he got burnt. No, I'm not gonna risk it. Not gonna risk it. I was gonna do another Calm Mind, but no. Not going to risk it. $184. You're gonna go first. Alright. Alright. Can you imagine if this works? But no, it won't. Alright, no worries. Let's go. Oh man, you're 100% again. So, Psychic and Ghost. I don't know what to use next. Alright. I'm gonna take a shot at this one. No! Sturdy. Nice. As long as I can land this hit, nice. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's me, happy. Can I pull this off? Can I pull this off? Avalug or Avalug or Avaluge. Come on. It's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy. That's okay. You're hungry? Just like Goku after a match. I'm hungry! Alright, so... Here we go. Alright, so... here we go. We'll have a rematch. Yeah, sure, no problem. I'm gonna be here as long as I'm not bored. Tapu Koko. It's a cuckoo. Alright, can we pull this off? Because I want those 100 pounds points. Alright, well done. Alright. Come on, dude! Yes! That's a very strong Pokemon. That took a lot of effort. Yes! I is waiting. Lurantis. Your speed is 122. Ah, well played. Well played. This is gonna turn into a switching game. Is this gonna turn into a switching game? Ooh, ooh. All right. Come on, Midna, come battle me. Come on, Midna. That crit mattered. There we go. Whenever I see this Pokemon, I remember of the Totemo Pokemon that was giant, the giant Toto Pokemon. Alright, let's see. He's a bug type, yeah? Alright, so we can continue where we left off with Mr. Crobat. Bye, have a great time! That was awesome. GG, Mr. Red. GG. I think you did better than last time, but there is a lot left that I can teach you. I'm open for another battle if you want. Or, I mean, even if Cascade wants to humiliate me again, wants to prove that it wasn't just, you know, beginner's luck or something like that, if you want to, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go for another random battle because I got nothing waiting. Oh, yes, I do. I have Midna waiting. Yes! Midna, here we go. Here we go, Midna. You're up next. So. I have a feeling about Midna. I need to be careful. I have a feeling about Midna. Yeah, okay, whatever. Whatever, Cascade, whatever. Ooh, crit. who's trying to battle me. Come on, Frankie. Come battle us. Welcome to the stream. Here we go. What? Alright, there we go. No worries. No worries. All good, all good. Alright. Now then. 227. You're gonna go first. Ooh. Come on. Leave me hanging. Yes, please. Thank you. Whoa, that crit! I feel sorry for you. That crit was amazing, but oh, we both fainted. So far, we're still draw. We're still even right now. Who's gonna go first? You're gonna go first. Ooh, wow! Ah, you got a crit as well, so that at least evens things out now. Yes, Frank, if you want a challenge, just go to PokemonShowdown.com and look me up with my username, VloggyBuddy, over there. And we'll have a great time. Oh, the protect. Protect means only one thing. You're scared. Man, I get cocky when I start winning. Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm not even winning. Why am I saying I'm winning? I'm not winning. Winning! Ouch, that hurts. Okay. Please don't miss. Ah, crap. Yes, yes, search my name, send me an invite, and we'll fight. Oh, that sucks. Alright. Ah, now you reveal your other Pokemon. Sleep Powder, god dang it! Well played. Well played. Oh, dude! Alright, you're burned at least. Okay. Ah, god dang it! Seriously? You really know how to hang in there. I missed. Alright, so I'm gonna try something. Ooh, that was scary. GG, Midna, GG. I got a notification, someone else wants to battle me apparently. GG, Midna. So far, the only winner we have is Cascade. The only winner. And it makes me think, it makes me wonder, maybe it was beginner's luck. Maybe it was just RNG. I don't know. I told him, let's do a best out of 3, but nope. Nope. Okay, who's next? Bring it! Frankie wants to battle! Yes, Frankie! Challenge accepted. I'm doing it again. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Frankie. Grab your Pokeballs. If anybody defeats me, everybody gets 100 pants points. 100. Alright, so... you know what I'm gonna do? Okay. Okay. I guess... this is how it's gonna be. Pow, 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 pow! Ooh! Dude! Is he levitating? No, he doesn't levitate. Somebody else sent me a notification. Someone else wants to battle me. Who is it? Midnight again. Let's go. Ouch. Hey, Nebby, welcome! Do you wanna battle me? Do you wanna battle me? Oh, wow! Nice one, Frankie. Nice one. You don't use... why not? Alright. Alright, I'm changing the rules. Alright, I'm changing the rules. I'm gonna change the rules in mid-game right now. I'm gonna change something right now. Alright, since we already had a winner for 100 pants points. Alright, we already had a winner for 100 pants points. So the price is gonna go up now. The price is gonna go up. The next one that defeats me is gonna give everyone 200 pants points. Alright? I just updated that on the stream. Alright? So if Frankie defeats me right now, everybody's gonna get 200 pants points. Steel and flying. Yes, that's right. And if somebody gets those 200 points, I'm gonna raise it to 300. That's how it's gonna go. It's gonna keep going up until 500. Oh, Cascade, you only have 58 pants points? Really? How did I die? I was looking away. You need more pants, exactly. You need more pants. Now then. I'm gonna try something. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna try something real quick. Were you active in chat, Cascade? Oh, come on, it missed! I don't think you got your 100 pants points. I don't think you were even active in chat. No! Oh no! Alright. What, Vloggy? Why, if someone beats you, you get something else? If someone if somebody beats me, alright? If somebody beats me, thanks to that person that defeated me, alright, is gonna get, I'm gonna try something. Can I go first? I can't go first. God dang it. God dang it. Thanks to that person that defeated me, everyone's gonna get 100 pants points. Now it's gonna get 200 pants points, basically. Alright, come on. 176, 152. but I don't know how to give one person. I don't know how to give one person the credits. I only know how to give everyone. Like a mod position. Nice one. Nice one. Alright, so. Crap! No! Oh no! I'm in danger right now. I'm in danger. Scyther! Go, Scyther! I'm in danger right now. I'm really in danger. Frankie might be the one that... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm scared right now. I'm scared. Alright, come on. Come on. Can we do this? Can we do this? This is a very close one. Come on, Kamala, come on. Alright, I'm gonna go first, worship 156. I'm gonna go first. You are not gonna win! Uh-oh. Okay, I think it's time to rip, Kamala. I think it's time to rip. You got very close, Frankie. You got dangerously close. Rip. Bye. Whoop! And he wins. And he wins. It's simple reward. It's simple. Reward one person. Just lose. Reward channel ID amount. Alright, can somebody give me his channel ID? Sorry for the cough. Somebody paste his channel ID in my or maybe Cascade can do that. If you give me your channel ID in chat, I'll reward you the GG, Frankie. You had me worried. You really did. Somebody put the channel ID for Cascade, so I'll reward Cascade with the pants. I'm gonna go pee, guys, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna continue battling. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? I see Midna's next again. So, alright. Give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. I'm coming. I'm coming. Alright, so I had a good pee. I had a good pee. Alright, so where was I? Feisty's here! I smell Feisty. Feisty! Come battle me! Come battle me! So you know what I was thinking while I was peeing? I have so many games. I have such a huge library of video games. I just bought 2 brand new ones this month, like Dragon Ball Fighter Z and Resident Evil for the 3DS. I bought those 2, and I'm playing a web browser game. Womp womp. It's me, Mario. All right. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Midna's next, though. Midna is next. All right. So, wow, got so many. Got so many. All right. So, Midna's next. Here we go, Midna. Here we go. All right, Midna. What am I gonna do with you? So, 163, 175. Let's see. Oh, it's okay, Feisty. It's alright, Feisty. Have you still been streaming on Mixer? I keep missing your streams now. Alright, here we go. 141, 163. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But that knows what she's doing. I need to be careful. Your other student. Wait. So Feisty is Cascade student, really? Must be a good senpai. You know what? Another one. Oh, look at you! Look at you! Let's see if this works. Please work. Please work! Hold on a sec. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the move. Alright, let's go. No! It didn't work. It didn't work. Next person that defeats me. Ooh! Alright, I got a chance to win this. I'm already gonna win this, I think. If I'm not being too cocky, I hope. Let's see. Okay, never mind. You got a crit though. You got a crit. That's why. Alright, you got a crit. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. With another strategy. He looks like a shiny one. Is he a shiny? Venomoth looks shiny. I don't know if it's my impression though. Please work. Please work. No, it didn't work. God dang it. Hey, Alessio, welcome. Nice to see you. We're playing some Pokemon today. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. Come on, work. Yes! Yes! It's not shiny? I don't know, I got the impression it was. It felt like it was. I'm stupid. I'm gonna go with this one. Alright. Okay. Where's the next stream? When's the next stream we're playing? Ultra Moon. Ultra Moon. Don't you mean Ultra Sun? Yeah, you mean. Or Ultra Moon. Yeah, but sometime this week for sure. Wait, this week is almost over. Never mind. Today's what? Today's Tuesday, right? I don't think I have time to play this week, because the thing is, I got Dragon Ball. I wanna finish playing Dragon Ball. It's not shiny. It's Nebby. Alright, so. Oh, still sleeping. Why are you so asleep? Ooh, not good. Not good. I tell you, it is not good. On Friday, Friday I've got people coming over, so I was wondering if I should do a stream. I have people over, maybe we'll play something and then we'll just stream it. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so Zangoose, you're at level 197. Not level, I mean speed. 197. Alright, we're gonna be okay. God dang it, I missed again! No, 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 no. We cannot let you. We cannot let you. We must put you to sleep. Ah, ha, ha. You got... How did you get toxicified? Alright, no, 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 no. This is not good. This is not good. Alright. You're gonna win, Frankie? That is some attitude. That is some attitude you're giving me right there. Alright. Now, this one is a rock type. Will this do anything? I don't think so. We'll try. We'll try. Oh no. Toxic orb, eh? Yeah, I realized. Yeah, it says. Doesn't say toxic orb here. Alright, so. Oh, wow. Critical. You have two bad ones. Ah, Medna. Ah, Medna. What happened to those days when you used to trash me? So, Vanillux. Oh, you touch my tralala. Boom! That's how it's done. Well done, Midna. GG. GG. Alright, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next, according to my sources? I have Super Saiyan Pants. Who is Super Saiyan Pants? Who is Super Saiyan Pants? I don't know, but we're gonna go. We're gonna go Super Saiyan Pants. Who is Super Saiyan Pants? But ground steel. Go again. I skipped you because I just battled you not long ago, Frankie. I'm giving you a chance for everyone. Alright, so what happens if I Can I pull this off? Can I pull this off? Kind of. Alright, well done. Steel type, no. You're at 159 speed, I'm at 158. Alright, let's see if I can go first. Synthesis. What are pants for? Pants is just a currency. It's just a currency on the stream. Basically, the more you chat in the chat, the more pants you earn. And to check how many pants you have, you do exclamation pants, and it will tell you how many you've gathered since you've been watching the streams since ever, basically, because it accumulates from one stream to the other. I hate to do this, but I'm gonna have to. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to. Sorry. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Obviously, you can never spam, just like Midna said. Alright, can I go first again? 137, 158. Yeah, I'm gonna go first. Yes! Super Saiyan Pants. I have a feeling this is cheer. I don't know why, but I have a feeling this is cheer. I'm gonna go again, I'm gonna go again. I hate to do this. Oh wow, I should enjoy doing this. But it lowers my defense and my special defense, that's why I hesitate. 168, 150. You're gonna go first. You're gonna go first. Alright, well done. I don't know why you didn't go with Chandelier right away. You know, fire type against the buggy type. Now then. Oh, yes, baby. Alright. This can't be Cheer though, because Cheer had a username before. I don't know. I don't know if it's Cheer. I'm confused now. Boom! Now I'm not so sure, but I think Amola's wish will be granted for Chandelure, I think. I think that's how it works. I'm not so sure though. I don't think it works like that now. I had a feeling it was, but I think I was wrong. This is not Cheer. No. This is not Cheer. The strategy is very different. Immune! Oh crap! I didn't realize I did it twice! Why am I so stupid? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I got all day, man. I can just recover all the way. I can just keep recovering. I'm not gonna attack you anymore. Just gonna recover. Just gonna keep recovering. That's fine. I'm gonna let the toxic do its job on its own. Oh man. Failed. Alright, well done. GG. Who is next? Who is next? Okay, Frankie is very confident that he's gonna beat me. I don't know. After Kevin, we're gonna go with Kevin Hyder. I don't know who Kevin is, but I look forward to battling you. But let's take on Frankie again. Let's take on Frankie once again. Once again, reminder guys, if anybody defeats me, it's 200 pants points for everyone. I'm gonna get comfortable on this chair. Ouch. Ooh. That makes a lot. That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. I love Gudra. So you're a steel type? Alright. You should know better. You should know better, Mawile. Okay, never mind. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. So you are a steel type, we said, yes? Okay. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try strategy. Make me cascade. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay, I didn't expect that. I'm worried now, huh? Cause. That's okay. That's okay. You have to bring out the big guns. I'm sorry. Time to bring out the big guns. Oh, come on! Come on! Wow. Oh, cheer. Yeah, he is gonna win those pants, I think. I'm worried now. Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't be so sure about this. No, because there was somebody earlier. I thought it was you. I was battling someone earlier with the username Super Saiyan Pants, and I thought it was you. I think I can pull it off again. Let's try again. Here we go. Here we go. Please work. Please work. Please work. Okay! Alright, alright, we're back in the game. We're back in the game. Not yet, actually, but still. Yeah, somebody went with Super Saiyan Pants. I have no idea who it was, and I thought it was you. But the strategy was different, so it wasn't you. Alright, High Dragon. Now then, I don't know what your ability is. Your possible ability is Levitate, so this should be okay for now. Alright, but at least I toxicked you. Alright, alright. And you are 195. Alright, no worries, enjoy that. Enjoy that win. Alright. Why does it say waiting for opponent? Okay. So what was your move? U-turn, that's why. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. I think I got this. I think I got this. Let's see if I can pull this off first. So your Dome Fun is at 125. I'm at 184. You did an earthquake. Need to be careful. Alright, so. You got some really good Pokemon, huh? I must say. You got some really good Pokemon. Ah, man, looks like Frankie's gonna get the win. Oh man, yeah. You're gonna get the win. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Because I don't... Hey, hold on a sec! Hold on a sec! Hold on a second. Wait a sec. Wait a second. I think we're gonna be just fine. Hold on a sec. Or not, I don't know. No, it's a stretch. It's a big stretch. No. It was a big stretch. Well done. Well done, Frankie. Well done. Everybody's gonna get 200 pants points in about 10 seconds, so make sure you are active in chat while I do that. Make sure you're active in chat. I'm about to award 200 pants points. Alright, here we go. Reward 200. Here we go, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let me just make sure everybody got it. There we go. Boom. Well done, well done. Who's next? I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna battle Kevin. Kevin Hyder, was it? Yeah, I want to see who this guy is. I want to see what you're made of. Accept. Here we go. You should have got the pants, yes. If you do exclamation mark pants. Oh yeah, by the way, now, if anybody defeats me, hold on, we need to fix this now. Now, if anybody defeats me, we're gonna do it 300 pants points. We're gonna keep going until we go up to 500, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Oh man. Oh! What? That didn't do much damage? What the heck? No! I was hoping it would, but whatever. You know what? I don't think it's gonna do much damage now. Well done, Frankie. You did it. Hey, Daryl, welcome! Nice to see you. I'm playing some Pokemon today, just for a change. I'm challenging everyone today. Everyone, even if they don't have a 3DS. So if you want to battle, just go to the website up there. And you will be given 6 random Pokemon. I'll be given 6 random Pokemon. Sure, hold on. Oh man, I just realized this is not good. No. Okay. I'm gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. No, we stuck at 1. Are you kidding me? How did that happen? And yes, anybody that beats me right now is gonna be the reason that everyone gets 300 pants points in chat. That's how it works. dude! If I knew 196, I should attack first anyway. Let's go again. Boom! That's how it's done! I'm back in the game. Alright, here we go. I bet you didn't know that my Jirachi knows that move. I have no idea who Kevin Hyder is. I don't know. All right. He's a fighting type. Oh, this is not gonna go well. Oh man. The Caldeo's giving me a hard time. But wait a sec. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. 3 against 3. But your Caldeo's down to 46%, your Dialga's 38%, and your Tapu Fini is 7%. I think I win this one. I think it's safe to say that I won this one, alright? Okay. Alright, so... Oh! Oh my goodness! No! Oh my goodness! I need to be careful! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's giving me a hard time, huh? $174, $152. What if I do this? Ah, it's not gonna work. Alright, I didn't know it was super effective against Dialga. Okay. And rip. Good game, Kevin, good game. You're good, but not good enough. Alright, so who's next? Challenge was cancelled. Super Saiyan cheer. Alright, so. Hi, I want to battle you. I want to challenge you, big fan, by the way. Yeah, just go ahead and send the let me just... Send the request. Alright, so I'm gonna accept Midna's challenge now. Midna still hasn't defeated me once. Midna. Let's go. Ooh, I love this one, this track. Oh, we're all water types. Well, you're ice. Okay, so can I pull this off? Hold on. Ghost type. Uh-oh. Ouch! Alright. Oh, come on, Midna. You know what I'm gonna do to you, Midna? You know what I'm gonna do to you? You're not gonna like it. You're not gonna like it. It didn't work. I'll keep trying. It didn't work. It rarely freezes the opponent. I was hoping for a freeze, but it didn't work. Alright, now, your speed is 2182. Oh, that's a lot. Alright, here we go. I'm not gonna trust you. Oh my goodness. Scary stuff right now. Scary stuff right now. Oh, rip Arceus. Alright. I was scared, huh? I was really scared. Whew. Whew. You're getting some good Pokemon, huh? Don't you dare complain that you don't have good Pokemon right now. I want to check something real quick. Sometimes I forget these things. What is the weakness for my gear now? Alright. We're gonna be okay. Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna be okay. We are going to be okay. Why can't I look that up? It's there for everyone. It's there for everyone. Yeah, because in the chat of the website, you can actually type !weak and then the name of the Pokemon, so it tells you exactly what it's effective against, weaknesses, resistances, and all that, and immunities. I just wanted to check something regarding Steel. That's all. I mean, everybody can do it. Ah, I sense that you are frightened, my son. No! Don't die, please! You have much work to do, Blade. Mm, 139. You're gonna go first now. You might track me. Oh, what move did you use? Ah, you used Swordas. You could have just used the move and wrecked me. Drift Blim. Now I'm gonna win. Because I think you have 180. But I have Shadow Sneak, so I'm gonna attack first. RIP! GG Midna, it's not your night. Gone are the days when you defeat me and leave me in tears. Well done though. Who's next? Who is next? Who is going to be the winner of 300 pants points? Who's going to give 300 pants points to the chat? Alright, cheer. Cheer. I'm going to accept your challenge after Pokemon Master. I'm going to see who this Pokemon Master is all about. Let's see. Alright, so. Here we go. I got an idea. Critical hit, come on, man! Critical hit, seriously though? Oh, come on. Wow, dude. Alright, I really tried my best. It didn't work. My strategy did not work. I'm this player. I'm sorry, I did not understand that now. Are you leaving? Alright, so. All right. Dragon on Fire. You are at 174 speed. You're gonna go first, and you're gonna trash me. Yep. Alright, here we go. Toby. No. Because he's Steel type, that's why. If only I can pull this off. Wow, that move. blue flare. Alright, I'm gonna try this. It's a risk. It's a risky risk. I'm gonna try. Ah! Ooh, hanging in there, Latias. Hanging in there. 185 to 11. If I can just. Yeah, ooh, no. Ah, your substitute failed. Ah, no! No! Why? Why? So it is time for me to say goodbye, I think. Well done, Pokemon Master. Well done. But it is still too soon to celebrate victory. So, Komala's normal type. I will go for... Let's stick with this move. Whoa! Scary stuff right there. Okay. Wow, Vloggy's struggling with the master. Yeah, Pokemon Master indeed, whoever it is, huh? I am struggling, but hang on. 199, 271. How did you attack first? That's so strange. It's gonna be a close one, huh? It's gonna be a close one! Let me check something, hold on. Nothing, never mind, let's go. Come on. No, no, no. Yes! Yes! Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? Well done, GG. GG, buddy. GG. You had me worried. I thought you were gonna defeat me. Well done. You, nice comeback. I know, right? That was incredible. That was incredible. Sometimes I amaze myself. I am so good. I amaze myself. Cheer. Are you ready? Help me, please. Look what he said. Help me, please. Are you ready for the help me, please? In 3, 2, 1. The Borkor. Here we go. So you are electric and grass. So I'm gonna go with this. Cheerios. But I am a Pokemon Master. Nobody defeat me! I'm gonna knock off first, just in case you have something good. There we go, no more leftovers. You toxified me? I'm almost dead, so I might as well do this. Oh, that didn't do much. There's still a chance. No, there isn't. Rip. This website's really good, isn't it? I mean, for those that don't have a DS and wish to battle, I think it's really interesting. That's a scary move. Alright, one down. Come on, my Jolteon. Okay, well played. Oh wow, you've got the same strategy apparently. What does this do? Oh, super effective, nice. Oh. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. I hear Rotom. Rotom. Rotom, behave. Oh, behave. Ah, Volt Absorb! Oh, thank you very much! I am made of electricity. If you shoot electricity at me, I will gain more strength. Zzz. 3 down. I would like Toby to defeat me. I want Toby. Come on, Toby, battle me. Come on, Toby. Four down. I like this Pokemon. I used to hate him, but this is a good Pokemon, huh? Okay, Toby, awesome. I want to see what you're made of. Ooh. I'm gonna die, huh? I'm gonna die. Hang in there. Can you take out his last Pokemon before you die, Jolteon? Can you do that for me? Come on. Come on. Hold on. Can you do that for me? Please. No, you can't. That's okay. You tried. Oh! Oh! No! Why did you do that? You made me stronger. Looks like I am gonna take you out before I die. GG. GG though. GG. Still GG. Well done. Who's next? Is there Toby on the list? If there's Toby, I'm gonna give... Where's Toby? Which one is Toby? Toby! Toby. You're not here, Toby. That's okay, Cheer. No problem. That's okay, Cheer. That's okay. I'm gonna battle Frankie. I'm gonna battle Frankie now. Because I don't see you, Toby. Yeah, you did. You did. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Frankie again. So, bug and flying. Nice! Ta-da! Ouch. I flinched. God dang it. That's okay. How to battle. Alright, so you go on... I was gonna say go on Toby Dog Games. Go on PokemonShowdown.com. Alright. Create an account or whatever. And then, I think you can issue a challenge and you can put in the username and you can find me. Alright, so we use bug flying. No! Frankie, well done. Well done, Frankie. And I got burnt? Oh yeah, I have the thing. That shitty should be better now. Nice. Alright, Luxray. I remember raising a Luxray back in the day. I think 2007 when Pokemon Diamond and Pearl came out. Oh, wow! Uh-oh. This is not going well for me. Alright, no problem. Alright, here we go. If Frankie defeats me, it's 300 pants points for everyone. Can you do it? You do it though. Do you do it though? It's a good thing I had the substitute to take down that Z move. That's okay, Toby. I'm gonna fight you next. So you are a grass and fairy. Ah, wrong move, wrong move. Wrong move. That's okay. That is okay. No problemo, no problemo. Sure, no problem, Cheer. Be my guest. Ah, that was a very noob move, Frankie. That was a very noob move. I expect better from you. I have an idea, actually. Haha! Because I think I figured you out, Vloggy. Oh, do you? Do you now? Flinched! God dang it! I am so mad right now. God dang it! You're giving me a hard time, Frankie. Alright, so. I'm gonna try something. Nope, didn't work. That's okay. Last Pokemon. Still gonna be a tough one for you. Don't think just because it's the last one you might win. Alright? Just so you know. Oh, you loaf around. I forgot that slacking does that. And your speed is 214. You're fast. Uh-oh. Careful now. Slacking is very strong, huh? Alright, now. I'm gonna have to keep doing this. Oh, well done. Well done. Everybody make sure you're active in chat. I'm about to award 300 pants points for everybody. Everybody gets 300 pants points. Make sure you are active in the chat right now. Lurkers, come out. Alright, so reward 300 we said. Here we go. Silver drift. There you are. Gotcha. Alright, so he beat me twice. Yes, he beat me twice. But now the reward is gonna go up higher now. The reward is gonna go up higher now. Whoever defeats me is gonna give everyone 400 pants. Oh, I put 3 again. Boom. Oh, 4 not found. What's going on? Ah, the font. Stupid. Let's try again. There we go. 400 pants points to everybody. Everybody happy. So yeah, who's setting up? Okay, so who's next? Let's see. Someone that I haven't battled yet. Come on, come on, come on. I see Kevin Hyder wants to battle me. Kevin, I'm gonna give some chance to those who haven't battled yet. So there's Toby. There's Toby. After Toby, Kevin, I promise. Okay, after Toby, I promise. So here we go. Get ready, Toby. Welcome to die. So. Come on, Toby. Impress me, my son. Impress me. Oh, come on! You son of a biscuit! Alright, at least I got a crit. Alright. I didn't want to get the crit. I wanted to see if my power-up was enough. You know, the calm mind. Because now I won't know if it was enough or not. Alright, so... Alright, so... Let's try again. Magic bounce! Ah! Omega Ruby is a good game, huh? I don't have good Pokemon. I just realized I have bad Pokemon. 6. I don't have good Pokemon. I'm gonna sing this to you, Toby. Mistake! Mistake! Actually, your speed went up now, so I'm scared. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna be okay. Your speed is 204. Alright, that's okay. Sucker! I'm sorry, I get so cocky. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize. You're gonna attack first. Question is... Ooh! The question is, are you gonna defeat me with one hit? Nope, you didn't. God dang it. That's okay. That's okay. Alright. Alright, we're moving. I may have a chance of beating this. Alright. Ah, that's okay. Why did you encore? Maybe that's why. Maybe you are resistant to... Let's see, maybe Goat can endure the electric attacks. Oh, I'm levitate! You're not paying attention, Toby. You're not paying attention to the abilities. Twice you did it in this battle. Twice. With the magic bounce and this one. Come on, I have levitate. Encore ended, so if I go to attack first, 161... I'm not gonna attack first. That's okay. Oh, milk drink! Ooh. But still! Oh! Gigavolt, no! That's okay. Are you ready for the grand finale? Are you ready for the grand finale? Are you ready? Are you ready? Fire blast! Oh, and it misses. There. Ooh. Whoa, really? Dude! Dude! Can I win, please? Let me win! Come on. Come on! Why you no die? Why you no die? And now my special attack went down. Come on. It's a tough Pokemon, eh, Go-Goat? You know what? Alright. Alright, you know what, Toby? I'm gonna lower its defense. Like this. Alright, like that. Should work now. Milk drink all you want now. I don't think it's gonna work actually. Oh my goodness! Ah! You're hanging in there, Toby. You're hanging in there, huh? Oh, come on, admit. You're just hanging in there. Come on, let go. Switch off the life support. You're on life support. Switch it off. Give up. He doesn't give up, huh? I like that. Look at him! You know what? You're running out of milk drinks. You only got 6 left. You only got 6 left. I have bad news for you, buddy. I have bad news for you, buddy. Forever. I'm sorry, buddy, but you're running out of milk drinks. And your defense just went lower. 0.5. Rip. Come on, god dang it! 0.4, look at that! Your defense keeps going down, buddy. This was the main highlight of this match, this Go-Goat. Oh my goodness, are you really gonna defeat me right now? No. Yes! Yes! You stood no chance against me. You call next, Silver Drift, but I think I promised Kevin if he's still here. Okay, I'm gonna battle Kevin because I promised I would. Alright, so I'm gonna battle Kevin, and then you're next, Silver Drift, okay? Alright, let's go. That was a good fight though, Toby. Well done. You had me worried just for a second. Alright, so I'm not so sure, Cheer. I'm not so sure. Ah, crap! How is he immune? He is immune to fire types. How is that possible? Impossible! Alright. Alright, let's go. Crap. No! That's okay. Oh man! Guzzlord is boss. Oof, okay. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. Yes! Yes! Uh-oh. Okay, I don't know how this works. How did the fire work? I don't know. Well done, though. So, you have flamethrower as well. Fire blast. Okay. Okay. I have an idea. I have an idea. No, 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 wrong move. Thank goodness you can cancel the move, huh? I think you can cancel this one, the DSA. We should do a tournament. Yeah! That'd be awesome. Alright! Alright! Let's get the show going. Ah, you're Mario? Okay. Should I try one more? I'm not gonna risk it. Ooh, not strong enough. I'm not strong enough to live without you. Strong enough. Ah! God dang it! Oh my goodness. Kevin! Kevin! You're trashing me, Kevin! What are you doing, man? I'm losing my mojo, I think. Wait a sec. Alright, we're good. Crap! Would this work? I'm gonna try. Ah! My goodness, Guzzlord's amazing. And I'm levitating. I'm levitating, buddy. Acid spray? I'm funny. I'm not trying to be right now. I'm trying to be boss. Come on! Yes, special defense went down. I'll try again. You know what? I'll do what I can. No! Burned! God dang it! Frankie, you would win? Maybe. Maybe I'm letting you win. Okay. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna keep going with this. No! Of course it failed! I'm burning! What are you doing, Kevin? What are you doing? Boom! Down. from behind. Wow, that's the first. This is the only Pokemon I managed to take down, actually. 8%. Mandibuzz, nothing. We'll see. Alright. You're dark and flying, and you are 172. I'm 131. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll try. Brave Bird. Ooh, nice! I'm the very Borg that ever was. Alright, so far so good. I mean, so far so good. Still. Guzzlord is 116. I am 131. So come on, come on, you can do this. Yes! 3 down. I came back, baby. That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. I came back, my goodness. I'm 3 for 3 now. That's a lot of damage. Yes, I mean, my Electros is hanging on by 1%, but still, his Rotom is at 64, so 196, he's gonna go first. He's gonna go first. That's okay. That's okay. You did well, Electros. I'm very proud of you. So, you have Ice Beam, huh? Thank you for telling me that. Now I'm gonna try a strategy. I hope this works. Come on, come on. Oh, come on! I got frozen? You only see what you... Okay, how did I unfreeze? I thought out right away. Okay, that was awesome. That was awesome. Let's try again. Don't freeze me again, come on. Boom! Come on, my strategy needs to work. It didn't work. That's okay. How come my Snorlax doesn't have leftovers? You should host the tournament. Yeah, I mean, to host the tournament, we would need to have everyone online, need to make sure everyone is online at the same time, and, you know, and everybody needs to be available for like a couple of hours. Alright, so Rotom. You are 190, I'm 93, and you have Levitate probably, yes, you do. I'll keep doing this, I'm gonna keep doing this. Come on. Wow, not doing a lot of damage. I'm not doing a lot of damage. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Come on, my goodness. Body Slam has a 30% chance to paralyze the target. You know how many Body Slams I've performed? Nothing worked. You see, that's incredible. Oh, it missed! I must have done like 10 Body Slams, not even once it paralyzed. I'm worried now, huh? I'm worried. I'm genuinely worried now. Okay, I'm worried now. This is the only move I have. Oh my goodness. RIP. Alright, well done. Well done, Kevin. Well done, Kevin. Well done. I didn't have good enough Pokemon to handle this team. My team was all weak against Electric, I noticed. Yeah, so well done. I'm about to award, how many did we say? 5? I mean, 400. 400 pant points to everyone in the chat right now. Make sure you are active in the chat, because the pants are coming. 400 pants are coming right now. So, reward. 400 pantsu. Here we go. Boom. That was awesome. That's a lot of damage. Who's first on pants right now? Let me check the leaderboard real quick. I'm not so sure how it's done though. I forgot. There we go. Sakura's still first with 148,000. Seriously? Is she still first? Yes, she is. Wow. Kevin Hyder is 6225 right now. Alright, so Sakura's still first. Top 3. Sakura with 148,000. Azamax with 200. Sorry, it's 29,000. And then this IAM, it's 18,000. GG, everybody. Let's go. Let's play some more. Let us play some more. Who's next? Who's in the list? So there's Toby, there's Cheer, and there's Mario 425. Mario 425 was there first. No, though. I think Mario 425 was next. So I'm gonna go with Mario now. Sorry guys, I know everybody wants to battle, but you know, I think Mario was here first, I think. So let's trash Mario. Mario number 1. Alright, so Probobus, Rock and Steel. This 140. Okay, here we go. Maybe I'll make a tournament one day. Ah, yeah. Next winner will get. Next winner is gonna get properties. Hold on, properties. It's gonna get 500 pants points now. That's as high as I'm gonna go, though, huh? Oh, come on. So the first attack of liquidation made 50% damage. The second one did 44%. Why? You have hydration. I'm not gonna use a water type attack on you. I'm not that stupid. What did I knock off? Leftovers. Nice. Alright. Now then. I'm gonna try something. No! Ah! No! God dang it! I'm so stupid. Ah, it missed. Of course it did. Look at that. Stop hacking! Stop hacking! cry. What the heck is this Manaphy on? Is he on steroids? Look at that! He trashed my team! Oh, I forgot he's a fighting type. My last Pokemon. I almost made a comeback, huh? Aqua Jet. Whoa! But that's it, I'm dead as well. God dang it. I did very well, but that Manaphy trashed me. Well done, Mario. I'm gonna reward everyone 500 pants points right now. Make sure you're active in chat. Boom. Well done, guys. Alright, who's next? Who is next? There's Toby and there's Cheer. I'm gonna go with Cheer now and then Toby. And then I'm gonna call it, guys. Because I'm getting tired. Getting tired. So Cheer is next. Help me, please! And afterwards it's Toby and then I'm gonna call it. Then it's GG. Here we go. 199 222. Cheer, wake up. Are you sleeping? Okay, I thought you were sleeping. Look at Frankie with 940 pants points. Well done, buddy. Come on, Cheer. I thought you had me figured out. Come on. You didn't get your 500? I see you have 940. Now, you have Torrent and Damp. And your ground type? You're not gonna fool me. Ooh, your defense fell down now, so I should be able to do some damage. That's not a lot of damage. Oh, you're frozen! You only see what your eyes want to see! He thawed. I'm gonna go again with another. We'll see. I'm immune because I have water absorb. And now it's time to shoot some seeds in your face. Giggity. Gonna shoot my seed on your face. That came out like that. Sorry. Oh man. So you're a psychic and steel type. Psychic and steel. Should be okay to do this. Yup. Ah, there was Silver Drift as well. Alright, so it's Toby and Silver Drift. And then I'm gonna call it, okay guys? Oh, that is scary. That is a scary move, my friend, right there. I'm up. That's a lot of damage. I'm gonna have to power up one more. Do another sword dance. Why didn't I go for Sucker Punch? I'm stupid. Why did it fail? Oh no! I think it's the end for me now. Why did my Sucker Punch fail? It shouldn't fail. Let's try again. It keeps failing. Why is that? Alright, I'm gonna keep doing Drain Punch then, until I die. Until the day I die! The game is, let's see if I can beat Cheer with before my Cacturn dies of poison. Let's see. Let's see. Can I beat Cheer before my Cacturn dies of poison? Okay. I don't think so. Raichu! 230. 139. You might get a good hit on me right now. Let's see. Oh! I told you I'd defeat you before my Cacturn dies. Oh man. GG though. GG. The bad news is he didn't even destroy one of my Pokemon. That's a lot of damage. Keep training, Cheer. Keep training. Go on this website and train. Alright, so I'm gonna go with Toby now. Toby, are you there? Are you ready, Toby? Are you ready? Are you ready, Toby? Are you ready, Toby? Let's go. Bork, Lil. There we go. Alright, here we go. No! Oh, no way. That's okay. Oh, Toby, Toby, Toby. Toby, 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 Toby. Alright, I'm ready for action. I'm ready for action. Bring it on. Boom. Oops, that's not a lot. Okay. One down, Toby. Try something else. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Okay. Come on, you stupid paralyzed! This is what's ruining me, the paralyze. But don't worry, just patience, patience. Alright, we're in action. We're good, we're good, we're good. The only thing that's killing me is the fact that I'm paralyzed. You know, I always attack second, but I'm strong. I'm very strong. Swannabe. Here we go. Ooh. Uh-huh. I can do that too. Come on, Toby. You're not even gonna take one of my Pokemon down? Come on, Toby. Seems like Gyarados is the only Pokemon he can control. Fighting type. Boom. I am like a Saiyan. Alright? The more I fight, the more I die, the stronger I get. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. Yes, I am. Alright. Is Silver Drift gonna be the one that awards everyone another 500 pants points before we end the stream? That is the question, sorry. I got the sniffles now after sneezing. Sorry. Alright. So, Yes. So we're gonna go with, wait, there we go. Here we go. Silver Drift is gonna be the last match. I'm sorry, I want to battle all of you guys, but I need to call it. So Silver Drift is gonna be your last chance of getting another 500 pants points before I leave the stream. So here we go. The music is like, it's like fighting the end boss. Frank, you know, I'm gonna have to call it. I'm getting tired, I'm getting a headache, and I need to get some sleep now. Oh wow, really? Okay. Let's go. Yeah, I saw that coming. You got a crit, huh? You got a crit. Don't you forget that. I don't know what Pokemon this is. Oh, what happened? Are you back in? It says you got disconnected. Silver Drift. It says you got disconnected. You got disconnected. Are you giving up already? It seems like Silver Drift rip. I'm gonna give him another minute or so. Okay, he's back. Awesome. It's a good thing I waited. Okay. We're back. Welcome back, Silver Drift. Oh, it's a Gyarados! Make Toby proud. Oh, wow! Really? Dude, how is it super effective? What type of Pokemon was it? I don't know. Hold on. It's a fire type, I forgot. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Water and flying. Ooh. That's a risky move though. Misses a lot. Oh no! It still missed. Ouch. Oh, come on, dude! Come on 3%! Make me proud, cousin. Well, so far so good, huh? So far so good. You took down 3 of my Pokemon already. What is going on? Oh crap, my special attack went down. I think Silverdrift's gonna award everyone with another 500 before we leave. Ah, crap. Nope. Oh! Yes! Alright, come on. We still stand a chance. Slowbro. Slowbro scares me. That's okay. That is okay. No! It missed! It missed! It missed! No! Alright. We're still in the game. We're still in the game. No! Well played. No, 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 no. No. Giving me a hard time, Silverdrift. Okay, come on. Still in the game. Can I pull this off? Can I pull this off real quick? Let's see. Oh my goodness, am I gonna do this? Is this a shiny? Looks like a shiny. Okay, come on! Come on! Oh my goodness, it's so close. 117. Oh my goodness! No! No way! That was so close. That was so close, Silver Drift. Well done. Ah, you had me worried so much. That was awesome. That was fantastic. Well done. I was so worried. I thought you were gonna win this one. I'm like, I'm gonna have to give away another 500 pants points, but no! No, that is what I'm here for. To stop you. It was a very good try. Your cousin gave me a hard time. You? Not so much. I expect better from you, Toby. Go train and then come back. My sensei, my senpai. No, I am your senpai. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and playing with me. That was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I'll do it again some other time. But my next stream is either gonna be Pokemon or some Dragon Ball. One of those two. And I also got Resident Evil Revelations for the 3DS. So I'll be streaming that one too. I've never played that game. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, have a great time, and ciao!